welcome back to my channel. So I am using the matching kit that I did with my monthly, which is the Witch Please kit from Plannerface. So what I've decided to do is I'm just going to pop a bit of music on, do the laying of the kit, and then come back for planning day by day. But I'm just going to show you the different pages of this kit. So we've got all the full boxes here and some little checklists there. We've got some deco and the day covers, weekend banners, and some quarter boxes there. And then we've got some half boxes, some flags, some more quarter boxes, and some checklists. And then we've got our headers, full box checklists, and a few icons there too. And then we've got our washi sheet. So we have a lot here. So it's the first time I've planned in a colourful planner, but also with like all these rounded edges and things. So this should be really, really interesting. So if you'd like to see how this turns out, just keep watching. Hi guys, it's voice over me here. So I was talking during this video, but I kept having to pick things up, put things back down again, and it just wasn't working. I was getting stressed, and this plan with me, not gonna lie, was having my life. But I'm living and I'm learning. So I just thought I'd let you know that the glitter headers are from Lucinda. No, they're not. Yes, they are. Lucinda Charlotte Designs. I just thought that they went really well, and I'd rather have the glitter ones because they're so blingy rather than the text ones. So I added those in. And again, you can see what I mean with this weekend banner. I've put it down, it's wonky. Put it back down again, wonky. So I did it again. So now I'm adding the full box checklists and popping a to-do sticker above those. And as you can see, I'm like moving everything around. What happened, and I don't know how this happened, but you'll be able to see at the end, Everything is not straight, it's not aligned. It is on this side a little bit more than it is on the other side, which I don't understand because I put everything in the same places. But as you can see soon, the headers don't line up and I'm not sure what's going on. So I think what I was saying there was that I don't have any date dots apart from those metallic shiny ones, but they didn't go with the kit. So I will write those in later on. So my sidebar is just dinners. They're home dinners and school dinners. My daughter and my husband have hot meals during the day at work and school. So we decided that we were going to change up the menu a little bit and just have snacky meals during the week at home and then have hot meals on the weekend. So to do on Monday, I will be filming my plan with me and going live on Facebook. But I think my plan with me will be a memory plan. And I'll edit the first part of my video too, and then film the memory plan on Sunday, add it together and then upload it. And the darker brown glitter headers, they're from Plannerface too, they're the coffee time ones. These work stickers are from Happy Cutie Studio. And I'm not putting my work times in at the moment, don't want to jinx anything, but that could be changing very soon. So I'm going to wait and see. And the unicorn stickers are from Beautiful Planning. And the other ones are from Your World of Colour. I'm going to try and go live on Facebook every other day. If you want to see me go live, you can hit the link in the bio and find my Facebook page. So on Mondays I do lower body, Tuesdays I do upper body, Wednesdays I do abs and hit. I do like to change it around a little bit. And I'm using the new icons to do like a blast tidy up session. I like how they're not the little round ones anymore, but they're actually bigger. I'm more likely to use them that way. So on Sunday I've not put a to-do or a checklist down because I like to just do the little things that are left at the end of the week in the morning and then spend the rest of the day getting ready to start the week again. So having a nice bubble bath, looking after myself a little bit, watching a movie, those kind of things. So I'm using a house from Lucinda Charlotte Designs to do the tidy up, the 15-minute blast. And that half box there is because I go see my in-laws on a Saturday, but I'm not sure if we're going to their caravan or their house yet, so I haven't written anything in there. On a Saturday I also do yoga with my little legs. We like to do that together, and it's lower body again on Thursday and upper body again on Friday, and Sunday is a well-deserved rest day. On Thursday as well we're having diversity day at school, and I'm not sure what we're going to be doing for that yet, but that should be interesting. We didn't have any movie marquees in this kit, which is what I was looking for, so I'm going to wait until a kit from Elizabeth Plans comes and it has the Halloween movies on it, so I'll just be able to put that in. So I decided to do this for my pamper session. I'll be having a bubble bath, doing my nails, having a face mask. And these are just the little jobs that I have left at the end of the week that I'm writing there. And I will fill my tarot, pick a card for YouTube on Sunday evening as well. And then I'm just going to fill in the dinners for home and school. I like to keep up with what my daughter's eating at school too. And I'm using the decor from the kit because it was too cute. As a witch, I am living for this kit, it's amazing. And the laptop is from Tickled Pink Planning. And these are from Elizabeth Plans, they're Halloween countdown stickers I have had since last year and I've been dying to use them. So I'm excited that I can start using those now. And that's how much of the kit I use, pretty much all of it, apart from the headers. Didn't really touch many of the headers. And that's it for this week, guys. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next plan with me. Bye.